Just doing a little graphics card spotlight right here. This is a GTX 750 Zotac. It's a 1 GB model. The GTX 750 was made and overmade and overbuilt and underbuilt. They made it in a 1 gig, a 2 gig, a 4 gig model, and they also had the TI model. Personally, this Zotac 750 1 gig model I've had now for almost 4 years. It's been an awesome little card. It's definitely not great at anything, but it's good at everything. I still use it, and I'm actually putting it in this system right here. Don't mind that cable mess. But this is actually the system that my girlfriend's been using now. She's doing a little bit of streaming and that kind of thing, and the 750 or the 750 1 gig actually holds up really nicely. So yeah, I'm gonna throw it in here and see what it's actually gonna hash out and make as of March 13th, 2018. Alright, so I just plugged it in, installed the drivers, and it recognized the GTX 750. I'm going to get it, let it start mining. Alright, these are the speeds right out of the box. This is no overclocks, no modifying at all. Looks like it's probably going to be the most profitable on, what's that, Equihash or NIST 5. Well, let's start mining and see what it goes to. Looks like it jumped onto NeoScript. About 22 cents a day. Is it gonna come up? I'll give it about five cycles or so. That usually lets it settle out. Well, looks like that's all that she wrote. Getting what is that, 148 kilohash on NeoScript. 22 cents a day. This card is barely probably break even because it's about, I think, a 75 watt TDP. So just make sure to do your calculations and know how much your electricity cost is. Yeah, so if you guys like this kind of little spotlight on an older, less known or less used graphics card for mining, just let me know down in the comments. If you don't want me to do any more of these, also let me know. So thank you for watching. This is Brandon on Brandon Coin. I'll see you tomorrow. Adios.